So tell me again why you can't use AI.
So we can actually, and that's a fun topic. So I was involved for a number of years with numeric simulations like you're describing, where you use a computer to try and solve the equations that you can't otherwise. And historically, in order to do those computations, we had to put them on supercomputer clusters and wait for months to get results. But now actually, with the advent of AI, this is something that my collaborators and I have worked on. Now we can actually do it on a laptop. So we've started using machine learning algorithms to numerically solve some of these differential equations. So this is different than using looking at photos on the internet and then having AI generate a new photo. We don't have these solutions. So there isn't a database that you can train an AI model on, but you can still use the framework of these neural networks to try and solve really complicated equations. And indeed, I worked on that, and lots of other people in the field have, and we found that using these techniques, we can speed up a lot of computations in a really substantive way. And this actually made it possible just recently for groups to compute quark masses in string theory for the first time. So to be clear, these are not the quark mass values that we actually observe in nature. That would be awesome, but we don't see that yet. But we can say, if you just hand me some extra dimensions, whatever they may be, and then say, what would the quarks look like in that universe? Now we can actually come up with those numbers using machine learning algorithms.